The Supreme Court rejection came with stunning simplicity and brutal brevity. On page 2 of its dispositions, certiorari denied Blagojevich Rod versus the United States. In a statement, the former governor's wife, Patty, said, "Rod, Amy, Annie, and I could not be more disappointed. Now we'll have to put our faith elsewhere and find another way." In other words, as Patty told me last week, she's not giving up on reuniting her family, just shifting to another target.
The only consolation I have is, we're all here, we're all healthy. It's not a life sentence, right? So eventually, someday, we'll all be together again. Hopefully, our president will be able to help us out and make that a reality sooner rather than later.
Indeed, the last hope for Rod Blagojevich to shorten his 14-year sentence is perhaps the only Paul with a personality and ego as big as the former governor's, President Trump. His two options?
He can pardon him, which means the case is over, he gets out of jail. Doesn't mean he's innocent, but the case is over. Or he could commute the sentence.
And Blago is no stranger to Trump.
He wanted 100 of these. I didn't cook it all when I was the governor. I was cooking up results for people.
While awaiting his corruption trial, Blagojevich was a contestant on Trump's Celebrity Apprentice show. And in a 2011 Forbes magazine interview, Trump expressed sympathy. "That's a rough thing for him and his family. I feel badly for him and his family. It's a tragedy." Patty Blagojevich told me this afternoon she wasn't doing any local TV interviews today, primarily because they couldn't do Rod any good. But she said she might go on one of the Fox News cable shows. As she put it, "We have a different audience now. It's an audience of one." Meaning, of course, Erica, that President Trump watches a lot of Fox News. It's his famous network, and she hopes to make an impression there.
So the fact that she's going through that cable news channel, does it say anything about whether they've had an ongoing relationship? Trump or even the wife being able to have conversations about this issue?
Yeah, well, in that Forbes interview, Donald Trump said he hadn't had any further communications with Rod Blagojevich. That was a few years ago. And Patty told me last week that they have not made a direct appeal to President Trump. She hasn't written to him or anything, but the pardon petition, clemency petition that she filed under President Obama is still laying there, waited to be acted on if President Trump wishes to do so.
Okay, Derrick, thank you.